Hello and welcome to Jazz Showbiz. I'm Tanisha Chitransh, and today I have actress Prisha Bharti. She is recently featured in the Z5 series Gyara Gyara. Welcome to Jazz Showbiz, ma'am. How are you?
I'm very well. How are you, Tanisha?
I'm good too, ma'am. Thank you so much. So, talk something about your character, Dipali, set in Gyara Gyara.
When I just started with auditions, I was very confused because she was getting something really strong, but yet her demeanor was very timid as per the dialogues. So it's like कि कोई इंसान इतना कॉन्फिडेंटली कोई काम कर रहा है बट वो प्रेजेंट इज लाइक हाँ ये लो ये रहा सोना मिल गया it's like that. So I was like, okay, then that means this person is extremely sincere and does not take herself seriously. And that is me as a person as well. So it's very easy for me to resonate with the character and have some more layers to the character. And once I started approaching the character, the director actually chose me. There were
Okay.
the actors auditioning for it as well. But they just chose me out of the sincerity because I that was the first character attribute that I had found in Dipali, which was sincerity. कि वो काम बहुत उम्दा करेगी बट इतने आसानी से वो मतलब ऐसे दिखाएगी नहीं कि आई हैव गॉट द लीड आई हैव गॉट द clues to solve the case. It's going to be like here are the clues and that's going to solve the case. So he just liked the sincerity of it. So that's how I approached the character. And rest all was Umesh sir. He helped us in the table reads. He helped us in building the characters on set. So all of that was kudos to him.
Okay. So, how did you got the character? Like, how you learned about ki that is a character Dipali and she needs you.
So, just like any actor who goes to Mumbai to become an actor, they go to a Ramnagar. I've been going to all the casting offices for almost 3 years, 4 years, and decent amount of people know me now. So now they call me for all the shortlisted auditions. They give me a call. Hey, Prisha, this is what we are casting for. We would love to have your either self tape if I'm not in town, or if I'm in town, then I'd go to their office and audition. So that's how I came to know. Casting Bay, Kritat Sethi from Casting Bay called me. So that's how I went there and gave the audition. Initially, I was out of town. Initially, I was in my hometown, Delhi, and I recorded an audition and sent it there. But I knew I wanted this part. So I went to Mumbai. I was like, even though you guys have my audition, you guys have shortlisted, great, thank you so much. But मैं audition आके ही दूंगी office में. The kind of
Okay.
feel and zeal you get with casting directors, them themselves taking the audition, because you get like, नहीं इसको ऐसे नहीं इसको ऐसे करो. They know better.
Yes.
Whereas here, I just it's me and like either my mother, father, or my brother helping me with the audition. So उनका इतना नहीं रहता है. बट जब आप ऑफिस जाके ऑडिशन देते हैं ना, द एक्चुअल वो फील ऑडिशन देने की कास्टिंग ऑफिस में आती है. तो आई वाज लाइक मैं भले ही भाई मैं खर्च करूंगी पैसे बट मैं आऊंगी मुंबई और मैं वहीं पे ऑडिशन दूंगी because I really wanted this part. It was just so beautifully written.
Okay, so your overall experience playing your latest character. I mean, did
So
you took anything from Dipali apart from the sincerity you mentioned?
see, just someone who knows how to present herself in a confident manner, even when she's not the protagonist or someone who's around the story revolves around.
Mm.
So for me, I think just her sense of grounded. Ki I am
Okay.
just confident in me. I don't have to prove to anyone. She was not trying to prove to the team. She was not trying to prove to the seniors. She was not trying to prove to anyone. वो अपने काम में ही इतनी कॉन्फिडेंट और इतनी वेल वर्स्ड थी कि उसको किसी और के वैलिडेशन की जरूरत नहीं थी. वो बस अपना काम करते चली जा रही थी, स्टोरी चलते चली जा रही थी, उसकी मदद हो रही थी, वो स्टोरी की मदद कर रही थी. इट वाज ऑल हैंड इन हैंड. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई लर्न कि sometimes when you're just confident, like you are so confident in your setting, in your demeanor, how you're taking an interview, you don't need any person's validation. You're just good at your job. That's all that matters end of the day.
So
Sorry
you're
about
you're
that.
bonding with Gyara Gyara co-stars. How
Right.
you gel with them, like?
So I did not know until it was our table read that I will be sharing space with screen space with Kritika Kamra, Raghav Jial, and Dhairya. So it was when they had called me for a table read, I was like, great, I'll get to meet Umesh sir, I'll get to meet the cast. And I mean, I was just looking forward to it. But and of course, I was like the first person in. Whenever I'm like nervous about something, I make sure कि मेरे पास 15-20 मिनट हो वो कुछ भी जो मुझसे गलतियां होती है उसको कवर अप करने के लिए. Just like this interview, I was trying it for the first time. तो मैं 15 मिनट पहले आ गई कि भाई जो भी गलतियां हैं पहले 15 मिनट में हो जाएं. So वहां पे भी I went 15 minutes early. I was like, let me figure out the address, let me figure out the table read में उससे पहले ही मैं थोड़ा लोकेशन के हिसाब से प्रेप करके रखती हूँ, just like Dipali. So
Okay.
we went and I interacted, of course, with the first Kritika, and Raghav was, I think, busy shooting Kill at that time, and Dhairya. So it was so warm. Like first I met Umesh sir, he was so welcoming, and it is my first how do I say, a big project in which I get to be a part of every step of the process. So he was so warm and welcoming. Sikhya itself was so warm and welcoming. Then Kritika ma'am was okay. She hates when I call her ma'am. So Kritika was very warm and welcoming, and Dhairya is the best person I have come across so far. जो इतना sweet है, like every time I met him, he greeted me with a warm hug. He was like, "Hey, Presha," and like वो एनर्जी से जब मिलते हैं ना, ऐसा लगता है कि भाई हम जन्मों के दोस्त हैं. All of the cast, I was touchwood blessed with working with some really kind-hearted and good people who didn't mind me being the first time I'm doing something so big. So they didn't
Okay.
make me feel like that.
Okay. So what's
Yeah.
your favorite on-set moment from your latest project? Any
Um,
close moment you can share if you still remember, like anything.
Three moments that come to my mind. That was the first moment in which I'm getting a clue. That was my very first first shot on set. It was my birthday. तो मेरा पहला
Okay.
दिन शूट का मेरा बर्थडे था, and the people on the set knew. And the moment I wrapped up, that was almost 4 a.m. or 5 a.m. in the morning. Everyone got me cake, and they were actually celebrating my birthday on set. Like imagine having the first project, giving the first shot, wrapping up the first day of show, and I also get to celebrate my birthday. So that was one very, very special memory that I'll always have with me. And second was when there was this one particular scene where I don't want to give spoiler alerts, but there was one very funny scene that I was made, like it wasn't funny per se, but it's just I wanted to make it look कि वो इतनी मासूम है कि वो फनी बन गया
Okay.
कि हाँ. तो मैं वो सीन नहीं बोलना चाहती. आई एम नॉट श्योर ऑफ द व्यूअर्स और इफ यू हैव वॉच्ड द शो, बट उसके बाद जब क्लैपिंग बजी थी, that was everything to me. I mean, just the difference between each and every actor is the kind of choices they make for their characters. तो अगर हम कैरेक्टर की तरह कोई चॉइस ले रहे हैं और अगर वो वैलिडेट भी हो जाती है विद द पीपल ऑन द सेट, then that's everything. That's what you're here for, and that's what you
Yeah.
really want, right? So, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And the third one, like you mentioned, you have three special moment.
थर्ड वाज द रैप. जब रैप हुआ तब भी मतलब वो, इवन दो हार्ट इज हैवी, बट every good
Yeah.
thing comes to an end. So
Yeah.
that
Yeah.
was the third memorable moment कि भाई ये खत्म हो
Okay.
गया, but I just hope कि हम second season जरूर लिखें because it's a great show.
Okay. Cool. So moving on. So what inspired you to become an actor? Like, how did you get started in the industry?
Um, So nothing really inspired me. It was more like this was something where I figured that I have something that I can do with in terms
Okay.
of growth, in terms of talent, for the lack of better word. So when I was in school, I was not good at studies. I was not good at sports. Sports, I used to play all the sports. So my mother is from the army. So since childhood, I've been swimming, I've been playing badminton, basketball, literally all the sports. But मैं हमेशा वो टीम में नहीं सेलेक्ट होती थी, कुछ ना कुछ रह जाता था. So I was like, यार पढ़ाई भी नहीं हो, and I was almost going to my 11th and 12th, and उसमें तो तुम वैसे ही कुछ नहीं कर सकते हो. So like there is, I just want to be in some school team. I don't know what, but just some school team I want to be in. So then
Okay.
my teacher put me in dramatics by chance. I ended up doing a performance and everyone loved it. And since then, she just put me in theaters. After that, then my teacher pursued me to take theater. So I'm from Delhi, right? So we have a big circuit of pretty good theater groups in Mandi House. So my teacher asked me to enroll in one of them and
Okay.
pursue it as a career. And I was like, I don't look that quintessential heroine material. So why would I do that to myself? I'm just setting up myself for failure. But then she was like, that's not how it works. You see so many actresses, actors out there who are appreciated for their performance and not the way they look. So just try, give it a shot. So then I did a theater play in Delhi, and that went very well. And the same
Okay.
feedback was given to me by my theater teacher. He was a
Okay.
NSD pass out, and then I started applying to colleges abroad. Then I started to apply to Stella Adler. Then there was Lee Strasberg. Then there was Royal Academy of Dramatic Arts. So all these music and dramatic arts. So all these schools I started to apply, but my first priority was either Stella Adler or Lee Strasberg. So Lee Strasberg is the pioneer in method acting, the
Mm-hmm.
Stanislavski method. So yeah, then that just happened, and I got selected, and then I went to LA. I studied method acting, and that was every single step I took with my parents supporting me with the things working in my favor. I was like, ठीक है, this is my calling. मेरी आत्मा बहुत खुश होती है जब मैं स्टेज पे होती हूँ, जब मैं काम कर रही होती हूँ, एक दूसरे कैरेक्टर के इमोशंस दर्शा रही होती हूँ. तो मेरे लिए वो एक टाइप की मेरे लिए वर्शिप है. मतलब जैसे लगता है ना मंदिर में जाके जैसा फील होता है, मेरे को स्टेज पे जाके वैसा फील होता है, वो मंदिर जैसा फील होता है. तो मैंने बोला यही करते हैं, सारी जिंदगी यही करते हैं. एंड देन आई जस्ट डाइव्ड ऑल इन. I went to LA, studied method acting, and since then it's been in 2018 I came 2019 I came back, and since 2019 I've been auditioning and trying to book jobs here and there, and touch would have been lucky so far to work with great people. So yeah.
So how do you prepare for your roles? Like, do you follow any particular routines or practices to get into a
So
character?
when I am not working, just the art of auditioning helps me stay in touch with different characters.
Okay.
And when I am on a project, when I'm working, then
Okay.
relaxation, I make sure I'm not distracted by any other media. I don't watch any show, I don't watch any movies during that time. Um, I think my only source of entertainment during that time is podcasts.
Okay.
पॉडकास्ट से मुझे थोड़ा बहुत सीखने को मिल जाता है, एंड प्रेफरेबली ऑन द टॉपिक्स लाइक व्हेन आई वाज प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर Dipali, I would watch podcast of the scientists, or podcasts of doctors, because even though if it's not on the same line, but at least the you get to pick up some character nuances, you get to pick
Okay.
up some characterization of the podcast. And एक डेढ़
Mm-hmm.
घंटे का होता है ना, तो अच्छा खासा कंटेंट मिल जाता है मुझे वहां से, कि मैं सीख भी लूं कुछ, एंटरटेनमेंट भी हो जाए, एंड मैं कुछ वहां से उठा भी लूं अपने कैरेक्टर के लिए. सो
Oh.
दैट्स वन स्टेप दैट आई मेक श्योर, क्योंकि जब मैं शोज देख रही होती हूँ ना, I switch very easily and I pick up very easily. So इसलिए मैंने Signal, on which this is based on.
Mm.
So Signal is a Korean show that Gyara Gyara is adapted from. So I did not watch the original show. I did not want to pick up any nuances of the characters that are there or my character parallel that I would have picked up. I knew. So मैंने वो सब avoid करा. Then relaxing. So for me, going on set, unlearning is very important. कई बारी मैंने देखा है actors एक certain mindset के साथ, एक certain character preparation के साथ आते हैं कि अगर डायरेक्टर कुछ उसमें ऐड भी करना चाह रहा है या उसमें से निकालना चाह रहा है ना, बट वो इतनी प्रैक्टिस के साथ आते हैं या इतनी प्रैक्टिस के साथ ऑलरेडी वो कर चुके होते हैं कि वो और कुछ एक्सप्लोर नहीं कर पाते हैं. सो मैं उतना प्लेन कैनवस छोड़ देती हूँ डायरेक्टर के लिए कि ये आपका कैनवस है, ये आप पेंट करके आओ. इसके नीचे मैंने पेंट किया हुआ है, तो वो
Okay.
नीचे वाली जो मेहनत है कभी आपको जरूरत करनी हो तो मैं नीचे से उठा के ऊपर रख दूंगी. So, वो कैनवस में उमेश सर के लिए या जिस भी डायरेक्टर के साथ मैं काम कर रही हूँ वो छोड़ती हूँ कि भाई नीचे वाला मेरा काम है, ऊपर वाला आप काम करो. कुछ अच्छा लगेगा नीचे से ऊपर उठा लेंगे, नहीं अच्छा लगेगा कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, आपकी कहानी है, आप बताओ क्या करना है. इट्स दैट.
Okay. So what kind of role you want to explore in the future?
मेरी दिली इच्छा है कि मैं कुछ ऐसे बैड एस वुमन वाला कैरेक्टर प्ले कर रहा हूँ जिसमें मुझे बहुत सारी मेरे को गालियां देनी है यार. मेरा बहुत मन है कि मैं गालियां देना चाहती हूँ. जैसे होते हैं ना कि हर लड़की के अंदर वो भरा हुआ होता है, भाई भर भर के गालियां देनी है, बस मिलता नहीं है मौका. आए गए
Okay.
दिन में तो कभी मौका नहीं मिलता है. माँ बाप के सामने नहीं दे सकते, दोस्तों के सामने नहीं दे सकते, बॉयफ्रेंड या हस्बैंड के सामने तो बिल्कुल नहीं दे सकते. सो इट्स लाइक कि वो एक अंदर भरा हुआ है कि भाई आई वांट टू डू अ बैड एस कैरेक्टर and not just abusing for the sake of abusing. You know, someone who like gangs of Wasseypur. Now
Yeah.
there were abuses there that fit so perfectly. So a role like played by Nawazuddin Siddiqui or a role played by Manoj Bajpayee sir. So all these characters that are predominantly written for male, I would
Okay.
want something like this to be written for a woman. I think there we have had our share of badass women who I'm pretty sure have. There were some things touched on Hasina Parker while Shraddha did that movie, but I
Yeah.
think it lacked the badass energy big time. Like no, nothing to take away from her performance. Everything was great, but just that element of badass was missing. So maybe recreating Hasina Parker with more badass elements, so like something like that.
Okay. So can you tell us about your first acting experience? I mean, what was that experience like? Your first.
So I came to Mumbai in 2019.
Okay.
And the first audition I gave was for Anurag sir. No, the first audition was Chapak, and the second
Okay.
audition was for Anurag sir's movie, Anurag Kashyap's movie, Choked, which is on Netflix.
Yeah.
So I was like, अनुराग कश्यप की मूवी है, मुझे कौन लेगा, मैं तो कुछ कहीं से लाइक करके भी नहीं आई हूँ. तो लाइक ऑफ कोर्स आई हैड ली स्ट्रासबर्ग्स एक्सपीरियंस विद मी, बट लाइक मुझे कौन ही लेगा. But I got the job. I got the part. And I play a very cute, naive receptionist in the show. And it was on that set. So it had been almost 6 months of me auditioning. मेरे में कोई confidence नहीं बचा था. मेरे में कुछ ऐसे होप नहीं थी. I was like कि भाई अगर ऐसे ही चलता रहा तो मैं अगर कुछ भी काम नहीं मिला तो मैं क्या करूंगी. That feeling when it starts to seep in कि भाई कुछ नहीं हुआ तो.
Yeah.
उससे पहले there was hopeful. I come from Lee Strasberg. I studied. I've also auditioned and did few shows in Hollywood. So जब मैं इतना उसके साथ आ रही थी, so I was very driven and I was like कि मुझे कौन नहीं लेगा. To the point कि मुझे कौन ही लेगा. So
Okay.
that 6 month was very difficult, and when I went on set, I had one scene with the lead character of the story, Robin Matthew. And after my scene, Anurag sir comes up to me and he's like, "You were really good in the character and the scene, and you give me your number, and you remind me of Nawazuddin Siddiqui." And all the confidence that I lost in those 6-7 months, everything was back. Because I was like, if this man believes in me, he didn't have to. See, he is Anurag Kashyap. मेरे जैसे बहुत सारे सीन करने वाले बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं, ठीक है, तो
Okay.
उनको कोई जरूरत नहीं थी मेरे पास आके ये सब बोलने की. But the
Mm-hmm.
fact that he came up to me and he of course asked me for my name, where I studied from, and what was the process like, even though it's just a scene, why did you do it so well, and how are you so confident if this is the first time you're being on screen. So that was the first time I was being on screen with Anurag Kashyap, and in general. So how was I so confident? So I was like, this is what I did, and do come with a prior theater experience. I studied at Lee Strasberg, and I think coincidentally his daughter was also going to West Hollywood or maybe California to study. So I don't know, yeah. So we had a conversation. He took the number. He never called me though, but I was just glad that he saw something in me. And then I was like, "ठीक है, Preeti, you're still on the right track. There are still people who will appreciate a good performance. So just be at it." And after that, I did another movie. There was the Bakar Banerjee's Freedom. So that movie actually never released, sadly. But that was one movie that I again got to play a small part in. And
Okay.
yeah, then one step at a time, auditioning, continuously going to offices, just step by step. Uh, it's just that's how the journey came till like we are here now for Gyara Gyara. Yeah.
Mhm. So where you see yourself like 5 years down the line? This one is last. Yeah.
No, that's all right. So 5 years, मुझे सच में नहीं पता होता कि लाइफ 5 दिन में क्या करेगी. लाइक इवन फॉर 11-11 मुझे नहीं पता था कि 11-11 हो जाएगा. अगर 2022 में किसी ने मुझसे पूछा होता 5 years फ्रॉम नाउ, आई वुड स्टिल बिन लाइक कि भाई 4 साल 5 साल हो गए ऑडिशन देते हुए, और 4-5 साल ऑडिशन दे लेंगे. सो आई डोंट नो. इसमें ना बहुत अनसर्टेन होता है कि हम क्या करने वाले हैं. बट व्हाट आई वांट टू डू एज अ पर्सन, सो आई हैव सेट अप माय ओन बिजनेस इन दिल्ली. So I
Okay.
would love to see my brand Fresh Beauty grow. So we
Okay.
make human hair extensions. So that, and in terms of acting, I would love to work with Zoya Akhtar, Imtiaz Ali, and Sanjay Leela Bhansali. These three are my like mera vision board. My vision board is in the other room. So मेरे vision board पे मैंने Zoya ma'am, Sanjay sir, and Imtiaz sir, इन तीनों की photos. Even Sikha was there. So Anurag Kashyap was there, Guneet ma'am was there, Sikha ka, the production house was there, Good Bad
Okay.
Films, which is now of Anurag sir. All these names were there. Diwakar sir was also there. तो वो सब मैंने धीरे धीरे टच करा बट पूरा करा.
Okay.
And now I'd like to have, I think, Zoya ma'am and Sanjay sir and Imtiaz sir to work with. So I hope अगले 5 साल में ये हो. Fingers crossed.